Hey everyone, it's raining, it's pouring, and the old man is snoring. Can you see the drops coming? It's been raining off and on today, pretty hard. How's everybody doing? Got some dark clouds over here. A lot going on, right? Yeah. How are the skies where you are? What kind of activities going on where you are? I hope everybody is taking care of one another and keeping each other positive and knowing who's in control, our Lord God. Period. And there is that. Hope everybody's having a good day. Look at that cloud. That's the one that must have just came over us. It really poured. Sun's starting to come out. Anyways, I hope you're doing well. Take care and much love.